What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today I have a first episode of a Forza video for y'all. This one's going to be really helpful to the people who just got the game. This is going to be how to get really fast currency or credits in the game so you can buy whatever car you want as fast as you can. As you see, we have our McLaren Senna in a pretty good spec, and I think that's Drew in his R8 driving around in the background. So without further ado, let's get right into how to get credits fast in Forza Horizon 4. So what you're going to need to do is, if you pre-ordered the game, you get the Formula Drift Pack with the pre-order. So you're going to go into the Horizon Festival right here and pick out one of the cars you downloaded in the Drift Pack. So we're going to go over to, there's a Drift Pack tab, I think we passed it. Here. You have 7 cars to choose from. This will work on every single one, and you can do it up to 7 times. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to grab the... Let's grab the Viper. Now that we're getting in the Viper, we can go ahead and get out of this and get back onto the road. Alright, now super duper easy. Whenever you rank up, you get skill points pretty much. And all you have to do is go in the menu for the car, go to Cars, Car Mastery, and you have all these options to choose from with your skill points you have available. I have 20. This each car takes 19 to do. So I'll get to do 1 car for y'all today, but you get the idea, and you're going to have up to 7 of these, and I believe you can make up to $2.2 million very fast. So as you see in the top right corner, I do have 816,932 credits. Check it out what it looks like at the end. So all you have to do to get all the money real quick is level up each individual skill on the left side of the box. So we're going to go ahead this. It costs 1, and we have 19 left. This get an instant 5,000 car collection influence. So this is going to be helping out your influence, and you can get a wheel spin, I believe. Next one is Risk Taker. Your car near miss skill scores increase by 20%. That costs 3. We're not going for that. We're going for this top one right here. Make sure your love tap skill 5 points, of course. Now we got 11. And this one costs 10. This one says, how many miles per gallon does it deliver? About 300,000 credits. Unlock perk for 10. Boom. Instant $300,000. You can see our 800,000 went up to 1.1 million, and we have 1 skill point available. So now we're going to get to go back. That's literally all you need to do, and you can do this up to 7 times. There's Drew in his wide body 650. We're going right back into the festival and grabbing another car. So that's pretty much it. Very easy tactic to get all that money. You can do it for every single one of these, but once you finish them all, you can't do it anymore. So each one of these, $300,000 a pop, and that is how you get the fastest credits as of now in Forza Horizon 4. I'll be keeping y'all up to date with any other glitches, exploits, or any strategic ways to get more credits. I do have one more video coming on how to get more skill points fast, so you can do this glitch pretty quickly. Well, not really a glitch. It's just something they put in the game for the people that pre-ordered it. Now, you can only do this if you pre-ordered it. I do not think you can acquire these Formula Drift Packs if you didn't pre-order it. You may get to buy the Drift Pack separately, but these are only on the Drift cars. You cannot do this with the RX-7 or the Koenigsegg or the Huracan. So keep that in mind. But if you did find this video helpful, please leave a like and comment. I'll be doing lots more Forza videos, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And I'm trying to bring all the best Forza Horizon 4 content out there. With that said, if you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.